Today, we're exploring the world of Japanese cuisine, known for its balance of fresh ingredients, unique flavor profiles, and the savory taste of umami. Japanese cooking is all about harmony, using quality ingredients and simple techniques to create satisfying meals. In Japanese cuisine, umami is considered the fifth taste, adding a savory depth to foods. Umami-rich ingredients like miso, soy sauce, and dashi create flavors that are both comforting and rich, making Japanese food truly distinctive. Let's look at a few essential ingredients in Japanese cooking. First, there's miso, a fermented soybean paste that adds umami to soups and marinades. Soy sauce, made from fermented soybeans, is versatile and widely used for seasoning. Then we have dashi, a broth made from kombu seaweed and bonito flakes, forming the base of many dishes. Here's an easy way to bring Japanese flavors to any meal. Mix soy sauce, mirin, which is a sweet rice wine, and a touch of dashi to create a simple, umami-rich dipping sauce. Perfect for sushi, dumplings, or even fresh vegetables. Did you know that Japanese cuisine, known as washoku, was recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage? The concept of washoku is all about harmony and balance in food. You'll often hear people say itadakimasu before eating, a way to express gratitude for the meal. If you want to bring Japanese flavors to your home, start with a few basics like soy sauce, miso, and kombu. You can find these essentials at Asian markets or online, and use them to create simple, flavorful dishes. Thank you for exploring Japanese cuisine with me. I hope you enjoyed learning about umami and key ingredients. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it. Don't forget to subscribe for more culinary insights. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or what cuisine you'd like to see next. Until next time, happy cooking!